Mis amigos, me llama Zahir Abbas. Today I would like to teach you about different article in Spanish. Actually, already you know what is definite article in English language. The is definite article. But what is definite article in Spanish language? That is very important matter because without knowing you cannot speak language and you cannot understand your grammatically and you will mistake too much in this field. So if you don't like to mistake, first learn a different article in Spanish language. Let us start the video. El, la, los, las. El, la, los, las. There are 4 ways in Spanish language for using definite article. Once again I would like to repeat. There are 4 ways in Spanish language for using definite article. But in English only one the. But in Spanish 4 ways. El, la, los, las. Are you confused? Don't worry, I am with you. I would like to explain you how to use. I would like to explain you. El will be used with masculine gender. Okay, El will be used with masculine gender and la will be used with the feminine gender. Los, this is los. Los will be used with masculine plural. Okay, and las will be used with feminine plural. Now I hope that you are understanding what I explained. With example I would like to explain you because without example nothing can be understood. For explaining anything, that is very important. Example is a very important. So I would like to explain you with example. Let us start. Examples. First, I would like to explain El. El libro. El libro means in English the book. Okay, you are getting what I am explaining you. El libro means in English the book. And next, la casa. La casa, the house. Okay, la casa means in English the house. And next, los libros, the books. Los libros, the books. You are watching here, this is plural. That's why with this was used los and the books. And next, las. Las casas, the houses. Las casas. Las casas means in English the houses. I hope that now you would have understood what I explained. Gracias por ver.